Welcome back, Kevin's Mobile Repair. We have us a Buick Regal. We have a no start condition. So customer stated that they believe they need a starter. He did not want to do a diagnostic. He wanted just a starter because that's what his buddies told him. I came out. Someone had already attempted to do a starter, and I partially reattached it back up. One of the main bolts was basically out and only in by like 2 or 3 threads. None of the power supplies were connected up or anything like that. So I reattached it, checked it. This was even before I went to install his starter, because that's what he said he needed. Then I started asking some questions when I got here. I asked the customer what was the conditions to the vehicle not starting. Were you driving down the road? Did you come out to the parking lot and it wouldn't start? What was it? He said it was driving down the road and the car started smoking, and then it wouldn't start after that. Okay, well, that has nothing to do with the starter. That means something with the engine, electrical system, alternator, something of that nature had caused that specific problem, because starter's only used one time. Starter's only used when the car is starting, aka keyword starter. That's it. So got out here, didn't even want to mess with starter, tighten everything up just to make sure that things were going to happen. When I got it to it, got power supply on the battery, all you hear is a tink. That's bad news. That means we have likely no oil, and in this case, 0 oil. His smoking that he saw was the engine burning up because it had no oil, and it's screeching to a halt. So this customer burnt up his engine without checking the oil. Probably hadn't changed the oil in a while from looks of that oil filter. A little bit of an oil leak at the bottom, not much, nothing that would have caused that, just lack of maintenance. And that is how we diagnose vehicles before we change out a lot of these parts, especially when it's something that is not needed. So this got switched over to a diagnostic fee instead of a starter replacement. And asking those little simple questions beforehand saves the customer time and saves the technician time as well. I was not privy to the customer until showing up on the spot, because I did not make this specific appointment. So, but little stuff like that, you got to kind of use common sense in diagnosing a vehicle. Any questions or comments? Feel free to let me know.